Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And this video is a daily recap that I'm going to start doing of trade ideas, as I've actually started a new Discord chat room that's free. Yes, for the very low cost of free. You could join. There's going to be a link down in the description, or just the links on the screen that you can see right now. I'm going to have two chat rooms, one solely just for S&P Emini futures. The other is going to be for momentum stocks intraday. So make sure you guys check that out and come join me. I'll be live Monday through Friday in the morning from market open for the first about 2.5 to 3 hours, give or take. So, but as always, let's jump right into this video. Again, this is going to be a recap. I'm going to show you trades that I posted. Everything is posted with timestamps. Nothing is after the fact. And hopefully you guys also learn why I like certain trades, and I'll try and go through them. I might go through them pretty quick because there were a lot of trades. But with that being said, let's look at just the overall market. I said I was bullish this week on the overall market in my weekly watch list video, and because we were in a reverse waterfall where we're making higher lows, that's exactly what's going on. And with everything that I'm seeing, we're still going to keep chugging. So I'm liking the market. Maybe a pullback to the 46.10 level tomorrow or overnight, and then probably a continuation higher. But with that being said, let's first look at a couple things with the Discord chat room. Okay, so here's my Discord chat room, just so you guys know. I'm going to give you guys a quick little walkthrough. The first thing is the first channel, trading setup rules. Please go and read these real quick. Just very simple ways to trade the S&P EMA trade setup alerts, and also the stock trade up setup alerts. I got a disclaimer. Now, I'm doing this chat room for free. I'm not charging a monthly fee. I was thinking about doing like a members only chat room, but I decided, hey, let me just offer it to everybody, all my fans on YouTube, and kind of give back. But I do have a place where if you do want tip or give donations, if you guys like the trade setups that I do, I have a PayPal, a Venmo, and also if you want to pay me in Bitcoin, tip me. Anything's, it's all up to you guys. Again, I'm doing this for free. I then have a community chat room, right? This is kind of where all the traders will be able to speak and talk and all that with each other. And then what I have are two rooms, a stock alert room and ES futures alert room. So if you trade the ES futures and only want to see ES future alerts, stay in this room. Make sure you turn on your phone notifications so you're alerted every time. And then same with the stocks, is only for stocks. So we'll first go with the ES futures, right? So every morning I'm probably again, give you guys at least one zone, higher or lower. It depends what happens in the overnight market. But like today, there were two zones to watch for a short, right? And I'm going to do this every morning, right around the market open. Hey, watch a zone below, watch a zone above, but it all depends what happens in the overnight. There might just be one below or one or two above. But trade zone hires for a short, 46.18 to 46.20 level. Trade zone levels for a long. So if price goes up, look for a short. Price goes down, look for a long. Now remember this, 46.18 by 46.20. Here I give you guys, I'll probably throw in once in a while a chart in 5 minute with any open gaps or VPOCs at the start of the morning. And here is a perfect example where I was saying, hey, watch the 46.10 for a quick scalp trade, right? Well, here, first I said, FYI, ESs are making higher highs and higher lows on the 1 minute chart so far. Watch for the 4610 for a quick scalp on the pullback. And then what happened was we actually had a quick pullback. FYI, ESs just hit the 4614 from the 4610 long. And if we come over here, okay, and let's take a look at what this trade was, right? Let's pull up a 1 minute real quick because I was basing this off the 1 minute. It was right near the open. And I believe it was this pullback right here. Okay, 642 levels, right? You could see 637. I was saying, hey, 641, watch the 4610 for a long. And essentially, what I was looking at was this prior high up here. Okay, and we kind of had a nice power run up, broke out to all-time highs, looking for a pullback to get long. I took about 1.5 points, but look at the massive run it had, and you literally took 3 ticks worth of heat. So also another thing with these videos that I'm going to try and do every day is help teach you guys ways to look at the market. So hopefully you guys will watch these every single day, and you'll find tricks to become a better trader. So that kind of worked perfect. Next, I said watch the upper trade zone for a short at the 46.18, 46.20. This is what I posted, right? And then what happens? We went right to the 46.18 to the front of the zone and we pulled back. Had a nice 3+ point pullback, right? And then I said, hey, here's an update. We kind of had that pullback from here, went into the zone a little bit, and then had a bigger pullback all the way down to the 46.14. Okay, and so that trade worked out perfect. Really didn't take that much heat. Here are the fib extensions for a move higher, I said, right? And these are just levels that I posted. Again, everything's before the fact. And then after the market, right? Or after the rally, we kind of went right up to the 127, pulled back 1618, and then 200 would have been the ultimate target. And that 200, I actually didn't drive, but it was 46.26 we'll round it off at. Okay, just remember that number for this chart here. But here, just say, hey, this is what the 3 minutes doing, what's happening under the hood. Nice balance with a little, not that much excess up above. Down below, we have some, so maybe there was a chance to go higher. But then finally, this was the monthly zone, or sorry, the weekly trade zones. If you want to sign up, it's $50 for a lifetime subscription, one-time payment, and these zones, 1 point literally pays for the entire subscription for life. I've been doing them for about 6 or 7 years now, and I release them every single weekend, Sunday evening, and these are more of bigger trade zones to watch for. Okay, and as you could see, we went right up into the zone. Sometimes we'll overshoot the zone by 1 point, 2 points, but usually we'll get some type of reaction unless the market is really strong one way or the other. And look at this, right? Remember I said watch. We hit a high of, I believe it was like 46.27 or something, and that 200 matched up with this weekly trade zone. And look at the pullback that we had all the way down to 46.20. If we go to the chart, let's see what the bigger pullback from that zone was. It was this zone. Okay, and we pulled all the way back to 46.15. I mean, even if you took it the front of the zone, that's about an 8 point move. Okay, with if you took it in the middle of the zone, you have maybe a 9 point move, so not bad. Now, as we come back up, Once a zone's been touched, it's over, it's done with. That's my rule. But again, look at multiple times we touch this zone. And also what I like to do, if you do this, do trade the zone, maybe go to 1 minute and look for divergences, right? As you could see, we actually had a nice divergence into this zone, and then just use my reverse waterfall method to enter, okay, or wait for a kickback. This never had the kickback, but if you just kind of took that trade, right, we go peak, look above and fail, you could have rode this whole thing without literally any risk on the entire trade. So hopefully that helps to kind of see, helps you guys to identify these trade zones and all that. But that's it for the ESs. Now let's go look at the stock side, right? For the stock alerts. So what I'm going to try and do is give you guys a quick snapshot of my watch list, things I'm looking at right at the market open, okay, for the stock side. And then NXTD above high of day. Now, all of my trades for the stocks are meant to be day trades, just so you know. Same with the futures. But with the stocks, I'm just looking for 10, 15, 20 cents. Get me in, get me out. That's the way these trades are all kind of designed to be played. So let's come over here to my stock chart. Okay, and let's look at NXTD. Okay, and this is what I was looking at, was the open right above, where was it, this 50 level. Okay, I was looking for a potential long, and we rallied all the way up to 60. So you got maybe 8-9 cents. If you see something like this in that massive reversal, get out. Don't overstay your welcome. This one, maybe once you saw it kind of bounce real quick like that and then back down, jump out, maybe picked up a nickel. Sometimes you got to be quick on these trades. But that was the only really bad one. HOD means high of day. BTTX starting to move higher, right? Watch the 13 level for a long idea. It's 643. Okay, out plus 15 cent profit, 1365 at 648, right? So let's go 643, BTTX, was it? Yeah, and so this is what I was looking at. I was looking for, where were we? Along right around here, we were kind of moving higher. I said, hey, let's look for a long here. And then you saw the move all the way up here, and then it fell apart. But again, that's a 70%, 70, 80 cent move. Actually, sorry, $1 move, right? That you could have gotten. All I look for are quick little scalps. So next thing, I talked about CAR, C-A-R, halted at 6:56 a.m. Okay, one of the very first halts. And if you look at CAR, at 6:36, let's go back. What time was it? Oh, 6:56. That's why. Okay, so CAR first got halted right around here on this candle, I believe. Somewhere over here, one of these candles. Okay, and we were 234. Look at the massive run all the way up to 547. So I kind of let you know, hey, it's halted. That's one thing I'll do in this chat room. If I see halts, I'll just kind of let you guys know of stocks that are halted. They're great trading opportunities if you know what to do. Watch FANG above high of day at 114 levels. Okay. And FANG just hit 115, a $1 move higher, right? And then in update again, hey, FANG just hit 116 from the 114 call. This is what I was looking at. Boom, broke out, and you could have rode this for a couple bucks. Next, OCGN, HYRE. So you guys can kind of get the hint of it. OLB, I said, so sometimes I'll do zones like this. I'll do supply and demand zones. OLB, trade zone long at 891 to 921. That's the zone, right? We should be able to, you want to be a buyer somewhere in the zone, okay, with the stocks. And then look at OLB later on and look at this. We missed it by about 12 cents, but this thing ran over $1, almost $2 higher, right? OLB. So not all of them are going to work, but remember, all these trades are meant to be self-managed. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is trading advice, but what this is to help you identify stocks that are actually on the move and that are about to run. I've been doing this for 20 some odd years. I think I have everything. You'll see day after day, right? All these moves. And so, OCGN, I said, right? Where was it? Watch OCGN for a long above high of day, okay? And this was at 7:38 this morning, okay? At 8:18, look at OCGN, right? And 7:38 was probably right here. We were probably 15:35, I think, when I said it. So I gave you guys plenty of time, and then it took off. Boom. Look at that move, right? Nice takeoff from there. So again, hopefully you guys find this interesting. I hope you guys join. There's a link down below to join the free Discord. Just jump in. If you want stock alerts, turn them on. If you want ES alerts, turn them on. If you want them both, everything's free. The only thing I ask, I'm not going to be ashamed, is if you guys make money off my trade alerts and you guys are feeling generous, if you guys want to tip me, you guys have everything there. Just go into the tip and donation and tip it. I'm trying to do something a little different from most people, where I'm trying to do a chat room without charging and try and gain a mass following of people. But I'm also going to do these daily recaps. Now, they won't be this long. This is kind of the very first day. That's why you don't see a lot of people in the room. Like I said, I literally just launched this 2 days. So this is the very first day and all that. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comment. Let me know if you guys like this idea, things like that, and all that. Also, watch a market's still strong. The ES is overall, I think maybe a pullback overnight and then continuation higher. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.